Welcome, fellow travelers. This is the Travel Hack Insider. I help you travel smarter and get one step ahead. I've seen it all regarding airport blunders. Like, we're talking facepalm. Did that just happen? Kind of moments. So if you're ready to breeze through your next airport experience like a seasoned jet setter, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the most common and shocking airport mistakes travelers make. And more importantly, I'm going to give you the inside scoop on how to avoid them. Okay, let's be real. Showing up to your gate just as the plane is about to take off might make for a dramatic entrance in a movie, but in real life, not so much. Trust me, arriving late is a recipe for disaster, especially during peak travel season. We're talking missed flights, frantic rebookings, and let's not forget those sky-high last-minute ticket prices. Ouch! To avoid all that unnecessary stress, aim to arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before a domestic flight. And for my international travelers, give yourself a solid 3-hour cushion. You'll thank me later. We've all been there, staring into our closets, convinced we need to pack our entire lives for a simple weekend trip. But let's be honest, overpacking is the ultimate travel buzzkill. Not only will you end up lugging around a heavy suitcase, but you also risk facing those dreaded baggage fees. So, channel your inner minimalist and pack only the essentials. Pro tip, roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. And don't forget to double-check your airline's baggage allowance to avoid any surprises at the check-in counter. In the age of smartphones and instant notifications, there's no excuse for not staying updated on your flight status. We're talking gate changes, delays, even those dreaded cancellations. Before you even think about leaving for the airport, make it a habit to check your flight status online or through your airline's app. Trust me, a little proactive checking can save you a whole lot of airport headaches. Plus, it gives you time to adjust your plans if needed, so you can arrive at your gate cool, calm, and collected. We've all been stuck behind that one person at security, fumbling with their belongings and holding up the entire line. Don't be that person. Familiarize yourself with the TSA guidelines before you even get to the airport. You know the drill liquids in those tiny 3.4-ounce bottles, laptops and electronics out and ready for inspection. By being prepared and following the rules, you'll sail through security like a pro. And remember, a little patience and a smile go a long way. Picture this. You're all set to jet off on your dream vacation, but there's just one tiny problem. You can't find your passport. Cue the panic attack. Forgetting your travel documents is a surefire way to turn your travel dreams into a nightmare. To avoid this heart-stopping scenario, always double, triple check that you have your passport, Idaho, and boarding pass before you even leave the house. I like to keep all my important documents together in a travel organizer, so I know exactly where they are at all times. Long layovers can be a real drag, especially if you're stuck in an airport with limited amenities. But don't despair. With a little planning, you can transform that layover from a boring waiting game into a mini adventure. Before you even leave home, research your layover airport. Scope out the restaurants, lounges, maybe even a spa if you're feeling fancy. Some airports even have art installations or gardens to explore. By having a plan, you can make the most of your layover and arrive at your final destination feeling refreshed and ready to go. Let's be real, airport food is notoriously overpriced and often leaves you feeling unsatisfied. And let's not even get started on the lack of healthy options. But guess what? You don't have to fall victim to the airport food trap. Pack your own snacks. Think trail mix, granola bars, fruit, anything that's easy to pack and won't make a mess. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have peace of mind knowing you have healthy and delicious options on hand. Imagine this. You're about to board your flight when your phone battery decides to take its last breath. No music, no boarding pass, no way to contact your ride. Talk about a travel nightmare. Before you even think about leaving the house, make sure all your devices are fully charged. And just in case, pack a portable charger. Trust me, a portable charger is a lifesaver, especially on those long-haul flights or if you find yourself stuck in an airport delay. We've all seen those passengers who look like they just stepped off a runway, strutting through the airport in their sky-high heels and perfectly pressed outfits. And while I applaud their commitment to style, let's be real, comfort is key when it comes to air travel. Ditch the restrictive clothing and opt for comfy layers. Think leggings, a cozy sweater, and slip-on shoes that you can easily remove at security. Trust me, your feet will thank you, especially if you're on a long-haul flight. For all my frequent flyers out there, listen up. If you're not already signed up for airline rewards programs, you're missing out on some serious travel perks. We're talking free flights, upgrades, lounge access, the works. Most airlines have free rewards programs that allow you to earn points for every dollar you spend. These points can then be redeemed for flights, upgrades, and other travel goodies. So why not get rewarded for your travels? Sign up for those rewards programs and start earning those travel perks. And there you have it, my fellow travel enthusiasts. The most shocking airport mistakes travelers make and how to avoid them. Remember, a little planning and preparation go a long way in ensuring a smooth and stress-free airport experience. Now go forth and conquer those airports like the travel pros you are. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel Hacks Insider for more travel tips and hacks. Safe travels!